Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with your very first weekly screencast video. So this one may run a bit longer than my usual 4 to 6 minutes. Once we settle into a routine for this short summer semester, they will be more direct and to the point. Everybody should be familiar with the format and how the course is organized and the kind of information that you will receive in the screencast. I hope everyone really takes the time to view the videos. They are focused and purposeful, and I will update you on any what I call housekeeping issues or any type of curriculum changes that we may have in these videos. What's critical here is to take a look at the English 1102 orientation video. It was produced for a prior course, but it'll accurately describe how the Blackboard is organized. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you watch the Google Drive tutorial, and I'll get into that a bit more in our first week schedule. And the idea here is that it is a requirement, as you can see, for the course. This is where peer review will happen for the research essays later in the course, but it's generally a positive tool because I will upload a Google slide presentation about some of the course materials, and which would be covered in my lecture videos. So that being said, I suggest maybe an ebook for the short 5-week course. It will give you the ability to really complete these exercises on time. All right. So we have here in the schedule, it'll always be week by week. The specific date, as you will see, Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday are our due dates, so that you know that each week you will have something due Tuesday, Friday, or Sunday. I always have the reading or viewing assignments. All right. And as you can see, I'll cover in the syllabus in a minute about looking into Blackboard and the course units to find the exact pages for reading. Discussion boards are where most of your work is going to happen. It's about 30% of your grade. The annotated bibliography is 30% of your grade, and then the research essay is also 30% of your grade. So in a short, abbreviated summer session, there's not a lot of assignments to break up the point value for the percentages. So those, I would focus on those particular assignments, right? So this week, the first week, you've got the Icebreaker Forum, which is a get to know you forum. Then we have exercise 2 and also exercise 1.1 from chapter 1, all right? Exercise 2 can be found in the Curious Researcher. That is in the introduction there. So getting over to the discussion boards. All righty. Discussion boards 1, 2, and 3 are due the first week. Here we have getting an interest going in a research topic. Cover a little bit more on that in a minute. Exercise 2 is where you get a chance to read the theories of intelligence and respond to that particular reading from the introduction. And of course, the Icebreaker Forum is all about everybody getting to know each other. So you'll see the discussion boards are here. Now, the very first activity, let's get back to the announcements. All right, is going to be the very first activity will be for the, let's get to the course units here first. I'm sorry, let's try. The introduction here is in the week 1 course units. We're going to look at theories of intelligence. Here's your readings and activities for the week. These are pretty self-explanatory. Once again, I'm posting Google Drive instructions here where you can pick up the main course folder along with another link to the tutorial in my YouTube. And then here you have a syllabus in Google Drive exercise, which is actually an extra credit assignment. If you complete that, then you will get those 15 points. Cover a little bit more about that in a later video. Also, I want to touch on the syllabus as we get into thinking about some of the main points here. Hopefully everybody will take advantage of the syllabus and Google Drive activities, so you actually have a chance to pick up some of those extra credit points. Please review the grading policy and the coursework requirements, and then exactly the percentage breakdown for the semester. All right, and what all about discussion boards and my thinking on that is very important. I want to get to the theme real quick here. So this semester, what we're going to do is focus on any kind of a research topic that you really want to focus on. All right, but we will focus on Generation Z as a discourse community and its perspective about the world. So I described what a discourse community is. So whatever topic you look to research, let's say if I say here climate change, veganism, effects of social media, you always must think about how you want to answer the question of how does your research topic affect Gen Z, and what does Gen Z think about your research topic? So we're going to look to shape these research topics a little bit more in line to Gen Z's thinking about the world and some of the ways we look at it, because Gen Z certainly looks at certain topics much differently than everybody else. So we want to draw attention to that. So it allows you to really be more invested in your research topic and how does it affect you in your day-to-day life. So you're going to want to work through the syllabus here for the syllabus in Google Drive activity, and then make sure you read the course theme closely. Also be aware that the schedule and due dates are all posted here, and I've left all the course units open. So for week 1, we're working in the introduction, and as I review here, you have your readings for the week. I have an introduction, a lecture video primarily about theories of intelligence to get you an idea of thinking what a research essay would read like and how that might work well for you this semester. All right, so I think this is about enough for week 1. If you have any questions or issues, you can send me an email. Good luck.